Alright, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and move to a little bit more of advanced territory. And what this is basically, I'm going to show you how I can copy content from one course to a totally separate course. Now there are two ways to do this, depending on what you're trying to do. If you want to just copy one assignment over to another course, you would go about it a little differently. So I'm going to show you how to do that first. So let's say, for example, I'd like this test to be copied over to my other class. I'm going to go ahead and press the assignment, and then I'm going to go up to the top here where there are these three buttons, and I'm going to go ahead and press copy to. It's going to ask me to select the course. So maybe I'd like to copy this to my advanced class and have my advanced students work on the same assignment. And then it would like to know if I'd want to put this in a module already created. So I can press this. Now if there aren't any modules created yet in this course, it's not going to show up. So then I would just leave that blank, and then I could press copy. And then this successfully copied it to this course here. So if I go to that course, I should be able to see this test assignment in my assignments tab. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you is if you'd want to put a different course that you've already created into this course here, all of the content, I mean. So if you'd like, maybe you have another course that has all these modules in it that you've already created, and you don't want to create them again in this one, all you would have to do is copy the course and put it in here. So I'll show you how to do that. You're going to go ahead and go to Settings, and then you're going to select Import Course Content. Then you're going to go up to the top here, and you're going to see Content Type. I'm going to say Copy a Canvas Course. Then it'll ask what kind of course I'd like to copy, and I can select from this list here on what course I'd like to have copied into this course. So let's just say my third period class from last year. I would like all content to be pasted into this course, and I would like to adjust the events and the due dates. So what that means is basically the beginning date of this course that I'm copying is going to be changed to this year instead of the year that it was. And then I can press import. So depending on how big your course is, it's going to take either a long time if it's really large, or it's going to take a little bit of time if it's very small. So just keep that in mind. This might take a couple of minutes or possibly more than a couple of minutes depending on the size of your course. And what I usually do is I just let this run and I'll go off and do something else. When it's completed, it'll have a blue bar in here, and then it'll say completed. And then what will happen is you'll be able to view all of the content in here that was from the other course in the course that you've been working in. So it makes it a lot easier if you'd like to copy different content and keep it in this one. That's how you would go ahead and copy your content, or you can import old content into your new courses. If you have any questions or you're not entirely sure about something, you can leave a comment or email me. In this next video, I'm going to continue on the more intermediate advanced section of Canvas, and I'm going to show you how you can add your own personalized apps inside of your navigation table here. So if you're interested in continuing with that, let's go ahead and head to the next video.